We bought a brand new Chevy Colorado ZR2 and we're turning it into our dream overland vehicle. We started by adding a decked drawer system to organize all of our gear. Next, we installed a SmartCap Evo A to provide even more storage and keep all our gear safe and secure. For full details, check out the videos in our Overland truck build series on our channel. And coming soon is our Renogy off-grid solar management system. Our rooftop tent is the Tuff Stuff Overland Alpha 2. We're taking it off our old Escape and installing it onto the Colorado because we absolutely love this tent. First, we needed to install a new roof rack onto the truck, so Chris got to work measuring and prepping to install the ALU CAB roof rack. We spent some time measuring and prepping and dry fitting everything so when we installed the tent, it would be smooth and easy. Next, the roof rack rails were installed onto the truck. Once everything was double and triple checked and tightened down, we were ready to install the tent. Getting the tent up onto the truck was a snap. And by snap, I mean it took 4 people to lift the tent on top of the truck. We finished the reinstall just in time. The next day, we left for some overlanding. In total, we've spent more than 365 nights in our Tuff Stuff Overland Alpha 2 tent. We love that it has a hard shell, it's tough, durable fabric, and it's easy to set up and tear down. Learn more about why we love this tent, plus a few things that we would change in one of our upcoming videos. We're currently overlanding in BAJA Mexico. Hit the subscribe button to follow our journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next amazing adventure.